Hi dear students, thank you very much for joining our this course. In this course HTML5 I will teach you what is the HTML, how can design website in HTML. Let's learn about the HTML5 complete course. HTML is the computer language that allow website creations. These websites can be viewed by some else connected to internet. It is relatively easy to learn, with the basic being accessible the most people sitting on the internet. What is the HTML? HTML is standard for the markup language with the creation on website and easy to learn, and you will enjoy learning HTML5's introduction. About the author, about me, my name is Muhammad Ismail. I am front end developer, computer instructor. I am working last 5 years in web development, different projects like WordPress, WooCommerce, and other frameworks like jQuery, JavaScript, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS. I am professional web developer and instructor in front end developers. I'm working in different projects, and can you touch with me in Twitter and LinkedIn? Linked below here. I have done complete education in computer science. Let's check the what is the layout of the course, what you have learned in this course. In this course I will teach you the basic fundamentals of web development. What is the web development, how can design responsive websites using HTML. What is the HTML5? First, what is the HTML5 block tags, how we use the HTML5 block tags, why important in HTML5 block tags. What is the color tags, how we use the colors in HTML5. You see the different colors you can use in the websites, how we use the colors tags, how we comment tags, because the comment is the important elements and important tags using the HTML5. We define the codes here. The comments cannot display in the websites, but we wrote here in next time we another developer want to work, they know what is the code performing, what is the editor, how many editors, which editor we use in this course, what is the element tags, what is the formatting, what is the head tag, why we use head tag, what is the heading tags, what is the id, what is the image tags, what is the layout, what is the links. All these tags step by step we use in this our course. What is the list tags, why important list tags in the HTML5. What is the paragraph, how we use the paragraphs in HTML5. What is the quotation tags, what is the style tags, what is the table tags. These step by step all lectures we have defined in our course. What is the attributes tags, how we use attributes, what is the function of attributes, what is the new elements tags, what is the class attributes tags, the important of class attributes tags, why we use the class attributes tags. What is the HTML5 responsive web page, I have little bit defined their responsive website. What is the login page, I have designed some awesome login page. I show you the login page and also deliver the code of login page for you. Let's check. It is the login page. You can learn this login page, how we make the login page in the using the HTML. Here the welcome inventory management system, how we use the h1 tag, h2 tag, b tag. Here we define the bold, how can make it bold. It is the email address, here you can enter the email address, here password and log on. Here when click it is login, you can go to main dashboard. If you forget the password, you click it to forget and creation new account. Here click it, you can go create new account. Just I show you demo here how can make it, and you can use the background image and videos. I also use here the background and images, videos. You can make such kind videos. These are also available for you, downloadable. You can modify it according to your requirements. Thank you very much. See you in video lectures. Thank you very much.